subscribe. Come along, let's dance and play. Y and Z, hip hooray! Jump, clap, and sing with me. Letters are fun, just wait and see.
Y is for yak, big and strong, with fluffy fur so soft and long.
Y is for yak, big and strong, with fluffy fur so soft and long. Y is for yak, stomping slow, through the mountains, through the snow, with a furry coat so warm and bright, marching left and marching right. And Y is for yellow butterfly, flying high, fluttering gently through the sky. E is for butterfly, light and free, dancing in the breeze with glee. Flap your wings, swirl around, float so high above the ground. Z is for zebra, black and white, galloping fast, what a sight. Z is for zebra, running with cheer, stripes so bold from front to rear. Zig and zag, fast and slow, run like a zebra, go, go, go. And Z is for zebra, bright and sweet, galloping fast, wonderful, such a treat. Z is for zinnia, pink and red, blooming tall in the flower bed. Sway and dance, fast and slow, run like a zebra, go, 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 go. We learn them all, hooray, hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. Clap your hands, give a cheer. We'll learn again, see you next year.
You did amazing, you've learned all the letters. ATC, keep singing, keep learning, and see you next time for more fun.